everyone, this is Igor from BakeQA Training, and today we're going to talk about how to start and stop Appium server from your code. So here we are, an existing Java project built using TestNG and Appium library, and on the left hand side in a real device, which is the reflection of real device, you can see the MovieMates application, which we're going to perform automated test on. So Appium server class, which you see on the screen right now, has been created by me, where I am instantiated Appium driver local service. And I use this service variable inside my two wrapper methods, which is the start Appium server and also stop Appium server, which is right here. Those two methods will simulate exactly the same thing as we try to run the Appium server from terminal. So if by typing Appium, hit return, it starts the Appium server, and Control-C on my Mac will shut down the server. Unfortunately, these tasks are impossible to perform every time we run our test on continuous integration servers such as Jenkins. Therefore, we have to use this solution, right, in order to make our test run somewhere else. So let's right now move to the code which is calling these two methods, and that code is reside in a base test in my project. So a base test is just a class that wraps the setup and tear down methods for creating instance of a WebDriver, or in our case it's going to be actually the Android driver. And here, right on top of the setup method on line 69, I'm calling my Appium server.start Appium server, which is going to actually perform the initiation of the Appium server before know that we are creating instance of the Android driver. And then after the full test execution performed, in tear down method, we are, besides quitting the driver, we shut down our server. Just like same thing we did in the terminal by tapping Control-C. So if I'm going to run the test right now, it will create first initially the establish the Appium server connection, and then we'll start creating the driver for Android and run the test. And by actually pressing on the play button right now, it will run the acceptance group configuration, which will run two acceptance tests right now. So if I press that, we can see in terminal, we start running test, and the server has started. It connected to my device and start installing all the APKs, which indicates our setup is working. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you're interested in our classes, you can always visit us at bakeqatraining.com/courses.